In our platform, you will have a large array of cross-platform and practice-oriented online courses that aim to teach you all the skills and expertise you desire in the most profound, fun, and visual pleasing fashion. Our instructors are experts in different fields and bring in their years of experience and professional knowledge to the table. All courses offer practice-based problem solving and best practice solutions to up your performance and make you stand out and work that much more efficient, so you can concentrate on your design ideas instead of being blocked by a lack of software skills. We are very fortunate to have tested and to keep optimizing our platform with students from academia and industry receiving only positive feedback. And this is how it works. You are currently on the main site. You can see all the featured courses and also get a preview of the upcoming content. We have discipline-specific categories such as computational design, building information modeling, structural and environmental design, and aim to bridge them on practice-based design challenges. You can click on any course and it will lead you to the landing page of that specific course. Here you can see some information about the course and also see the promo video to get a better understanding about the featured content. If you want to enroll into a course, you simply press on the Enroll or Buy button to proceed to the checkout page. Once enrolled, you can get started with the course. All courses feature mainly video lessons that are structured in reasonable chapters. You will have additional resources such as downloadable examples and fun questionnaires to test your learning. If you should have any issues during a lesson, you can simply write a post or join a current discussion. Either the course instructor or one of the many enrolled students from all over the world will happily help you out. You can see your progress here. If the course offers certifications, make sure to hit at least 90% to receive it. Press on this button to get back to your main dashboard. Any new course you enroll into will be accessible here. We give our students total freedom to interact with our platform. Besides our free content, you can either buy individual courses or sign up to our unlimited all-access membership, which comes in with an extremely reasonable subscription model. With this, you will have unlimited on-demand access to all current and future content. We offer customized learning and development services for academia and industry applications that provide personalized content creation and monthly webinars to foster a fruitful student-employee engagement. For more information, check out this service page here or write to mail.design-upgrade.com. If you wish to stop your membership, you can still access your enrolled courses in amount of your total in payments. If you have already bought one or few courses, you can receive a discount for the all-access membership. Just write an email to mail@design-upgrade.com and just write, "I would like to upgrade to the all-access membership." Our platform is growing rapidly with at least one new course added each month and new instructors from all different fields of expertise joining our team. Together we aim to tackle the latest design, simulation and visualization skills for designers, engineers, game developers, programmers and artists all alike. So I hope this gives you a better understanding of our endeavor to create the best e-learning platform for designers with the most profound, fun and visual pleasing content out there. And now I invite you to join our rapidly growing community and hopefully we can together make some design upgrades.